Have you ever felt like nowadays everyone is intelligent, smart, clever, brilliant, and somehow you are the only fool left on earth? Everywhere you look, people are quoting Albert Einstein, Steve Jobs, Marcus Aurelius, like these great minds personally coached them, as if Albert Einstein whispered the theory of relativity into their ear, or Marcus Aurelius gave them a private lesson. And yet, something feels off because deep down you can't shake this thought. Are they actually intelligent, or they are just very good at faking it? In this video, you are going to discover why fools often think they are intelligent, but that's not all. You will also discover 7 deep desires that drive these fools crazy to fake intelligence instead of becoming truly wise. But be careful, some of these desires might expose something in you. Why looking intelligent is more important than being intelligent. Because today, intelligent is fashion. You don't have to understand it, you just have to wear it. Say the right words, repeat the right quotes, signal the right opinions. Psychologists call this virtue signaling. When you copy the appearance of intelligence without actually having it. And maybe you have seen this play out. Someone drops a fancy term in conversation. Cognitive dissonance, existential crisis, quantum mechanics. Do they actually understand it? Not really. But they know it buys them one thing, the appearance of intelligence. And here's the twist, it works. Most of us don't check for the substance, we only check the surface. Which brings us to the first of the 7 desires. The first desire is self-esteem. You want to feel worthy. You want to feel like you matter. And in today's world, intelligence has become the fastest currency of self-worth. Think about it. Nobody wants to be called a fool. That stings more than being called ugly or poor. Because if you are a fool, you are powerless. So what do you think people do? They fake intelligence because it protects their fragile identity. Psychologists call this identity signaling. When you are not secure in who you are, you borrow a costume, and the costume most people pick is the costume of intelligence. It's not about truth, it's about armor. And here's the irony. The more someone needs to look intelligent, the less secure they are actually inside. The second desire is status. Let's be honest, intelligence isn't just self-esteem, it's currency. The guy at work who sparkles random facts in every meeting, he is not trying to help the team, he is trying to climb. Because society rewards those who look intelligent. And yes, they get the respect, they get the attention, and they get the subtle nods of approval that fools crave the most. And maybe you have done this too. You may have pretended to know more than you did just to look good in front of others. But don't feel guilty. Almost everyone has. That's why the Dunning-Kruger effect exists. Fools estimate their intelligence while the true intelligent doubt themselves. In other words, the people you laugh at for pretending, they are not the expansion, they are the rule. The third desire is career advancement. In the modern world, intelligence isn't just admired, it's rewarded with money, power, and opportunity. The employee who sounds clear gets the promotion. The politician who sounds intellectual gets the votes. The influencer who sounds profound gets the followers. You notice the pattern? It's not about truth, it's about presentation. And here's where the real danger lies. If you fake intelligence long enough, sometimes people believe it. And when they believe it, you gain power. History is full of leaders who weren't the smartest, but they played the role of visionary genius so well that people followed them blindly. Not because they were intelligent, but because they looked intelligent. And fools confuse performance with proof. The fourth desire is validation. Deep down, most of us want the same thing. To be seen, to be recognized, to be valued. And one of the easiest way to get recognition in this world is to look intelligent. Think of social media. You post a picture, maybe a few likes, but a clever quote, suddenly you are a philosopher. But here's the trap. Validation is addictive. The more likes, nods, and you are so smart comments you get, the more you crave them. And soon, it's no longer about learning or growing. It's about feeding the machine of your own ego. In psychology, This is called external validation dependence. Your worth isn't built from within, it's borrowed from others. And fools, they'll sell their souls just to get another hit of it. The fifth is intellectual curiosity, but twisted. See, some people genuinely love learning. They read, explore, experiment. But others, they don't learn to grow. They learn just enough to show. You probably met this guy. They read half a book, watch one YouTube documentary, and suddenly they are an expert. They drop knowledge bombs in conversations, not to share, but to dominate. It's curiosity weaponized for ego. Because true intelligence asks questions, and fake intelligence perform answers, and fools don't see the difference. The sixth desire is cultural norms. We live in societies that worship intelligence. From childhood, you are graded, ranked, tested. Your value isn't measured by kindness or courage, but by numbers on a piece of paper. And so you learn the game, not how to be intelligent, but how to look intelligent. You memorize, regurgitate, impress. The culture rewards the appearance of intelligence more than its reality. And fools, they take that lesson into adulthood. They keep performing, never questioning. Because in a culture obsessed with IQ, the greatest fear isn't ignorance, it's being seen as ignorant. The seventh desire is comparison. Human beings are wired to compare. Who's the taller, richer, stronger, smarter? It's how we measure our place in the tribe. And in this endless game of comparison, fools use intelligence as their weapon. Not actual intelligence, but the appearance of it. And I know you have felt that. The sting when someone corrects you in public. The irritation when someone pretends they know everything. That's not wisdom. That's insecurity, dressed in mask of intelligence. So, why do fools think they are intelligent? Because intelligence today isn't knowledge, it's costume, it's performance, it's fashion. These 7 desires, self-esteem, status, career, validation, curiosity, culture, and comparison, push people to chase the appearance of intelligence while running further and further away from the reality of it. And here's the bitter truth. The louder someone needs to look intelligent, the less intelligent they are. So next time you see someone flexing Albert Einstein's quotes or lecturing you about life as if they have solved the mystery of universe, remember this. Real intelligence doesn't scream. It doesn't brag. It doesn't perform. Real intelligence whisper. And if you are wise enough to notice the difference, you will see what most fools never will. That intelligence isn't in the costume. It's in the silence behind it.